Hey, it's David at PDF Automation Station. In the last video, we did global settings for 2 stamps here. I'm going to do a third one, and I'm going to show you how to select a background color that's not in the color picker in the global settings. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go to Tools, Comment. I'm going to select the square, and I'll right click that, Properties, set my fill color. I'm going to go with Other Color, and here's the entire color picker. I can choose any color I want. So let's choose this color for the background. Click OK. Okay. So just select this. Go to your global settings here. This is the third stamp we're going to set up. And when the global settings pop up now, you'll notice that it says here color selected from annotation. It's checked off. And here's the red, green, blue for that color. I'm going to leave the text black, leave the transparency, select, let's make a paid stamp this time. We have an exhibit stamp, an approved stamp. Now I'm going to make a paid stamp. And for the footer, let's do a date. So we'll do month, day, year. When I click Apply Settings, the annotation goes away, that square goes away, and if I look here, see the custom color there. And that's how you select a color, any color from the color picker. Thanks for watching.